Hey everyone, I will be doing a pre-flight weather briefing, and I'll be doing a route from India Lima Golf to Foxtrot India Golf, and I will be planning 2 stops along the way: Mike Delta Tango and Romeo Victor Lima. I'll be using ForeFlight to help me with my weather briefing. ForeFlight gets weather from aviationweather.gov, and it gets METAR and TAF observations from airports. So we'll start off with some adverse conditions. So starting off, looks like we're going to have some, just a second, it's loading. Looks like we're going to have some lightning heading into PA. Expecting a Sigma X-ray going into PA at the time. I'll be flying. I forgot to say, I'll be flying at 1300 Eastern Standard Time, which would be 1700 Zulu. And then IFR flight. It will be IFR most of the flight, so it'll have low clouds and very limited visibility. So VFR flight, in my opinion, would definitely not be ideal. Would not be recommended because of the lightning, for one thing, and also low visibility, and there will also be mountain obscurations. So low visibility, clouds, and mountain obscurations on the flight. So far it's not looking very ideal. There'll also be turbulence at high altitude above us, which won't really affect us too much. Surface analysis, synopsis, we're going to have some clouds moving in, rain clouds to the east of us in eastern PA, and we're going to have a high pressure area to the south in Virginia along during the flight. METARs are indicating VFR at the beginning, and then marginal, and then at our destination low IFR. So low IFR again, still right now clouds at India Lima Golf are few at 3,000. So it's not too bad. But then getting to the destination is going to be fog, overcast, 200. So it's not looking too great. And then PIREPs. We have a couple PIREPs. Some overcast, 1,400 along the route. So that's going to be pretty low visibility. And we can use another imagery of clouds. Looks like we're going to have few 2,000, broken 3,000, and that was at 11 o'clock, and later on we'll be having worse clouds, so it'll actually be thicker, so overcast 2,700, so it'll definitely be very low. Winds, we'll be having winds coming from, looks more like the south, but those won't be too strong, but it will still be very overcast. TAFs right now are predicting VFR at departure airport. Along the route, they'll be predicting IFR, low IFR, and low IFR at our destination. Again, overcast, 300 to very low. It'll be very hard to doing approach and landing really. Wind charts, we're going to be seeing, we got nothing too crazy on the wind, so that'll be coming more from the southwest-ish. And then it'll be about 2 degrees Celsius up at 6,000 feet. So flying to the west, I chose 6,000 feet for an IFR route, and the potential for icing would be very high and very, very dangerous. And then we would have some NOTAMs, departure NOTAMs, destination NOTAMs. I'd have NOTAMs on my alternate en route, and then I would check for any airspace NOTAMs, runway NOTAMs at the departure stops or my destination, and then ATC NOTAMs. So those would all be very, very important, very helpful. But thank you for watching.